Hey guys, this is Rima here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about pre-drywall meeting in a new construction phase and what you need to know about that. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are right here at one of my construction sites with my client that's building this house. We just got done with the pre-drywall meeting, usually this pre-drywall meeting you're going to have it with your contractor. You just want to make sure that you are well aware of all your selections that you have made during your building process. Either bring it that way or just have it in your notes, because the contractor is going to go over every single section of the house and show you where the electrical plans are, what is selected with the lighting and the fixtures, if all of that is correct. If it is not, what they're going to do is kind of mark it right there with their any markings with the black arrows right there, and then address that to get that fixed. But during this phase, like I said, you want to make sure that either you take a video if you want, or take many pictures, because once it's done, you have that information if you're ever doing any projects down the road with the house. This is how it kind of looks like, after this is done. They will do the drywall, and then you have the sheetrock right here that's going to go up in the house. And you also want to make sure you come out and there's no holes, they'll have to cover all of that right there, address everything that's there. And also a lot of people that come in are doing the work here with working. They'll put a can right there, usually a drink bottle or something like that. That you want to make sure there's nothing like that here, because sometimes that can be left in the back of before the sheetrock is placed. So all of that things just come back and see, like this one right here. There's an example right there. That Pepsi bottle might just stay there if you're not out here and looking at your property being constructed at least once a week or so, to make sure everything is going correctly, because there's a lot of things that can be missed. And if you have your eyes on your own property, it's always a good thing to come out here. And then they'll just talk about all this. And this is a nice little vacuum area right here in the house. This is the kitchen area where all the plugs are right there. So they'll go through, where are all your plugs, where is all your lightings, are they missing any lightings, are they missing any outlets, or have they put the outlets at a wrong place. Just like this one right here, that was placed in the wrong area, so they're going to move it on this side. They'll put an arrow to put it in the middle. But I highly suggest that if you're doing a pre-drywall walkthrough, either you're recording the whole conversation with your contractor as he's going through all the areas in the home, because you may forget it, because it's a lot of information, guys. It's usually 60 to 90 minute meeting that he goes over all the components of the pre-drywall and electricity and all of that stuff. And then this is the inside. They also walk through the outside of the house and show you what needs to be done. Sometimes I've had windows that were placed wrong, or they have not added the sliding door. So very important to bring your plans with you, or have it on your phone, so at least you have it in hand. You're addressing it with the contractor and going through it. Sometimes that I would probably address with the construction, if you've not done it beforehand, but when you're building a house, is if there's any space underneath the staircase like this one, you can try to use that space up for any kind of storage. You can try to remove the bar right here and then make up space for extra storage. I always kind of help my clients to see what extra things that can be done for storage, because in Texas, as you know, there's no basements. So You want to try to get as much storage as you can. The other thing, obviously, I had told the contractor is, you know, those top right there. I mean, I don't know why that's missed, but you need to put that in place. And same thing with the lightings. They don't have any lightings. They have missed it in the shower head. So when somebody takes a shower, that's going to be all dark. So you always want to have a second eye and address those issues, small things. Like you see all these markings that we had done during our pre-wire construction walkthrough. But this is what you guys will expect is come out here with the contractor with your notes and kind of go through the whole house and make sure everything is wired correctly, placed, nothing is missed. Anything that needs to be added that can be addressed at this moment before it's too late. Okay, so that was a walkthrough of the pre-drywall meeting, what you guys need to know and be prepared for. And then there'll be 2 more meetings after this. Usually it's the initial walkthrough where you do the boot taping and all of that stuff, and also a final walkthrough. But when that time comes, I'll go ahead and make another video so you guys have some information on what to expect for those appointments. But if you need more information, please comment below. Let me know. Until next time, thanks.